of God. Don't get me wrong, 'cause this might sound to you a bit odd, but you won't place where all my thoughts go hiding, right under your palm. It's where I find them. Underneath your clothes, there's an endless story. There's a man I chose, there's my territory, and all the things I deserve. Being such a good girl, honey. 'Cause of you, I forgot those smart ways to lie. Because of you, I'm running out of reasons to cry. When the friends are gone, when the party's over, we will still belong to each other underneath.
So I was trying to show you how lovely this looks in the dark and how beautiful it sounds even turned up. I am really impressed with this Bass Bow speaker. It looks good, it sounds good, it's so easy to operate. You have TF card input, which is really cool. Volume control at the back, your mode control for the lights. You can have, as I have right now, where it fades from one color to the next, or you can set it on individual colors, or you can have no colors at all, whatever suits you. The USB is for charging. The auxiliary is for headphones. And then it has the opening for the air. When you've got the bass going, you've got air movement in there, and that helps to prevent vibration and allows for a much better sound. This is really a cool speaker. It's unique in that it's transparent. You can see the backs of the speakers. And it sounds really good for a little speaker. I mean, this would be perfect for a kid for dorm at college, even for an apartment. If you have no other kinds of music besides your phone or your tablet, there you go. You don't need a sound system. You've got one right there. I really like it.